everyone, Captain Starlight here. Have you ever wondered what K-Pop Demon Hunters character you are? Well, look no further. Take this super fun quiz and find out. Question 1. What would you rather have for dinner? A. Chicken and vegetable ramen. B. Spicy mayo corn dogs. C. Spicy ramen. D. Crispy chicken wings. Or E. Burger flavored ramen. Question 2. Where would you rather go on holiday? A. A quiet cabin in the forest. B. A big city. C. A water and adventure park. D. Paris to visit museums. E. Disneyland. Question 3. Pick your favorite animal. A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Hawk. D. A leopard. Or E. A bunny. Question 4. Your friend is upset. What do you do? A. Give them a hug. B. Tell jokes to make you laugh. C. Put on some music and dance it out with them. D. I think of some clever advice. Or E. Turn on a cozy movie for a slumber party. Question 5. You're on an adventure with your friends. What are you doing? A. Leading the group with confidence. B. You've brought the snacks. C. You're keeping an eye on everyone. D. You're keeping everyone motivated. Or E. You're making everyone laugh. And finally, question 6. What's your favorite color? A. Purple. B. Orange. C. Pink. D. Blue. Or E. Green. Now it's time to go through your answers and see what you got. If you got mostly A, you're roomy. You're a natural leader. You love to help your friends, but also love to spend some time alone to think, create, or read. You never give up, and you're always up for adventure. If you got mostly B, you're Bobby. You're funny and excited. You love to make your friends laugh and have a good time. You're always there for your friends and always look for the silver lining in any situation. If you got mostly C, you're Mira. You're tough, strong, and loyal. You're always keeping an eye on your friends during adventures. You love to spend time with your friends and explore, but also perfectly happy to spend some time listening to music. If you got mostly D, you're Genu. You're thoughtful and creative and do what's right. You're caring for your friends and love to spend time with them, creating, looking through museums, or talking for hours. And lastly, if you got mostly E, you're Zoe. You're silly and goofy and love to have a laugh. You're always there to cheer up your friends by doing a silly voice, a silly dance, or making jokes. Which K-Pop Demon Hunters character were you most like? If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Fun with Captain Starlight on YouTube for more family-friendly fun. I've been Captain Starlight. See you next time.